In this video, we're going to explore what is the cheapest car to own and operate under the factory warranty. Before I ran the numbers, I would have thought it was an EconoBox, a hybrid, or even electric vehicles, but until I run the numbers, I wasn't absolutely sure. Before I reveal the winner, I encourage you to use the free Google spreadsheet on my website at BeRichSolution.com, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. After running all the numbers in the spreadsheet, the Mini Cooper SE hardtop comes in at $192 a month to own and operate, assuming you qualify for the $7,500 tax rebate. Please realize that the Mini only has a range of 110 miles. If you're seeking more range, I recommend the Nissan Leaf, which will cost you $200 a month, but that only has a 150-mile range. So going to the Hyundai Kona Electric will give you a 258-mile range, and that will cost you $232 a month, assuming you qualify for the $7,500 tax rebate. If you're not ready for an electric vehicle or have range anxiety, the spreadsheet shows that the Toyota Prius or the Hyundai IQ Blue both come out to be $238 a month to own and operate. In the spreadsheet, I also looked at the gas-only models, some of the cheapest ones, such as the Chevy Spark and Subaru Impreza. They came out to a decent number, but remember, I'm using the 5-year average of fuel at $2.54 a gallon. So with fuel prices above $3, it starts sliding those prices. Some honorable mentions before I wrap this up. The Volkswagen ID4, because it comes with a 4-year 50,000-mile warranty, along with 3 years of rapid charging. Last but not least is the Ford Mach-E, as it qualifies for the federal rebate and ends up costing $260 a month. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel.